So we want to save this report into the PDF or HTML, or if you want text file, or if you want for the Excel file. So you can select for the any one of this and you can import this file. So for example, I want this convert into the Microsoft Excel 2017 file. You can click on this and you can click on OK. And automatically it will ask for the report where we want to save this report. I'm giving for the report. And what is today date I'm giving, just our understanding point of. So I give it and it is saved. See, now we can go to the, now we'll go and you go to the where I saved. I think I saved in desktop only, right? See, I saved in the desktop. See, report 2407. Now you can open this in the Excel because I saved as a Excel only, right? See, automatically the Excel will be open. Now you are able to see the results, everything. See, scenario how you executed and what is the workload characteristics and what is the running users and total transaction per second and elapsed time. This report you can send to the someone, then they will easily understand. Okay. So this is the report we can send. Means you can this report we can send, and we need to write for the some observation for the mail. Okay, so we can.
Kiran, I have one query.
Yes, please.
Yeah, actually, while running the scripts in the runtime, if you are getting any failures or the scripts are getting failed,
yes,
so is there any separate team we have to reroute the issues to them, or we have to resolve ourselves?
You should be see your. I will show you here. You can observe here. Total how many errors I got? Only one error. So when you are executing the test, right? Maybe you are based on for the past transactions more than 4%, then your test will be invalid. You need to identify the what are those errors and you need to rectify and again you need to execute.
Okay, so in our session, are you also teaching those handling exceptions?
Yes, handling the exception, how to do for the script also. We are not scripting also. We need to do for the some scripting enhancements. Like see, this script only, it will work with the single user point of view, it will work fine. Okay, but multiple user point of view means we need to do for the some scripting enhancements. Means we don't write any code, but we can do for the some scripting enhancements. See, this is the only single user, like Jojo Bean will be single user. But what is our main aim? We need to execute with the multiple users. Means multiple usernames, multiple password we need. So we need to keep the in script only those data. So how to we can keep those data and how it will. So these all things how to we can handle. Maybe during the like during the scripting we are getting for the any errors, how to we can resolve, and these all things I will explain in the course.
Okay, and actually what happened, I joined late, so I missed some starting part as well.
I will
So
share this already. I have recording is there. Okay, no worry about
so
that.
what is the prerequisites require, Kiran?
Prerequisites means you need that
Any programming knowledge is required,
no,
like
no need
SQL or
for the
any
zero
programming Java language?
No need, because see everything will be automatically recorded. We are not written anything zero here.
Okay, and the same formula we are using for JMeter, or there is some other specifications?
Yeah, JMeter will be some same formula, same thing we can do, but what will happen is JMeter like just terminology will be different, terminology only, but everything will be same. But
okay, there is also no need to write anything, right? Or
yeah,
no
there
need
is also
to
no
know
need to
about
write
the
anything.
programming language.
Yes, no need to write anything there also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So compared to, okay, I'll have
yeah.
some questions, but I'll ask you personally. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. You can call me and you can ask me. Okay, no problem. Okay. Anyone, any other doubts? We'll continue. See now, I will explain for this, right? Analysis. See, already I prepare report, right? Where is that report? Yeah, this report, right? So we need to send this report to the client. So we can send this entire report. Client will be don't know what is this graph, what is this, you don't know. So that is why one beautiful thing just is understanding point of we need to prepare like this. See total number of users executed, how many hits happen, throughput happen, total throughput and total transaction pass. And after that, each and transaction response time. And after that, bit per second graph, throughput graph. Then he will see, okay, he executed this many users and average response time of the 50 users is getting for the 2 seconds is our response transaction SLA. SLA nothing but they are giving for the, if maybe more than 1 lakh users also access of my application, it is not cross for the more than 2 seconds. They are giving for the client, they are giving for the SLA to me. So if it is more than that, we need to identify the what is the issue. Like maybe because of CPU memory is sufficient, insufficient also will get for the transaction response time will be high. You can observe, see perform CPU will be 38% and you can observe 90%. See, means it is not sufficient for the memory for our point of view, my system. So that is why maybe I got for the transaction response time, you can observe here. So you can observe here. See, click on flight is taken for the 13 seconds. Actually, client is asking only for 2 seconds. But I got for the, see, not that one. We need to concentrate on average. See, 4 seconds it is happen. And after that, apart from this, everything, every transaction will be good. But client click on flight only, it is happen for the 4.84 seconds. But why it is taken for more than 2 seconds? So we need to dig the issue. Like maybe CPU memory is, see, going to here, you can observe my memory is crossing for the more than 90%. So that is why it is not sufficient for the 50 users. So what we can do, we need to recommend it to the particular team. So we are executed with the 50 user load test. We observe that during the test and after test is completed, memory is crossing for the more than 90%. Could you please increase for the memory? Then they will increase for the one more 4 GB or 8 GB. Then we need to again do the test and we are good for the SLA or not, we need check. As a response time, average response time, we are meeting our SLA or not, we need check. So we are good for the response time, then we will directly send this report to the client. See, for example, I will save this transaction, see login, right? First, I will copy this and already we have prepared, right? See, just in login, I copied and pasted it. Okay, and after that automatically, okay, and after that we can change for format. Okay, Control C. Just after login, we done for the what? Find flight, right? You can take for the transaction also, same way can take. See, click on flights, and after that find flight. Find flight. This is the click on flights. This is the run. Okay, can take it. See, click on flight. This is the click on flight, right? You can give for the click on flight transaction details. This is the click on flight, right? You can copy. Only we are copying minimum, average, maximum only. See, Control V, and after that find flight. So this is the flight flight. Control C and Control V, and after that payment. See, this is the payment details. I copied and paste it, and after that final will be sign off.
Yeah, Kiran.
Yes, please.
So like we are following certain methodologies in our testing. So here performance testing also we have to follow the same, like preparing test plan, test strategies, test
Yes,
cases.
everyone will be there, right? That is should be we can follow, because see, as a perform testing or any testing you are doing, okay, you should follow the some process definitely.
Okay. Or in any addition here or any steps we have to skip, or it is as it is same?
Yes, it is same, no additions, and everywhere will be same. See, for example, you are doing for the some work, means you need to plan, right? For example, is our flight booking application only will be there. So I want to go to the some London, assume. So yeah, I can go to the London, means I need to plan, right? Without plan, I can go.
No.
So same way, if you do for the testing or any programming language or any testing, so you should be plan, means you need for the some test to plan and some test strategy. So everything will be you need, right? Same way you can do
Right.
from here also. Got it?
Okay. Yeah. And 2 seconds would be the final timing for each transaction, right?
Yes, yes, each transaction.
So that test cases almost remains the same for the 2 seconds.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
That is a universal SLA. That is the for any application. Maximum will be 2 seconds. Maybe some application will be there. Some upload videos, this type will be there, right? Maybe it will slightly change, not much.
Okay.
Got it,
And
right?
is there any kind of scenario where we need to manually write test scripts for any particular scenario, or everything is in recording things
Yeah,
only?
yeah, no. We need to write to some. See, for example, our point of only can assume. See, we are doing for the which application we are doing?
Web tool.
Web tour application. So just open web tour and see, you can before see, this is the web tour is a very simple small application. You know, for the what we things we can do, we need to write like this launch URL, we know. And after that, we need to write for the login. And after that, what I done for the find flight. And I will give for the after that payment.
Booking ticket payment. Right.
Payment. And after that, final will be sign off. So if you give these steps, you can do easily, right, Ricard? Same way,
Okay.
maybe if it is already existing application, they will give for the one document like this. So you need to click on launch, click on login and find flight, payments, sign up. They will give for the one document. And using this document, you can easily record, right?
Okay. So manually we no need to write the scripting, right?
Yeah, no need to write any scripting, no need to write anything. This everything will be tool based only will work.
Okay. Okay.
Is clear?
Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
So anyone any doubts regarding this? Anyone? See, like this, just I prepare this sheet. You can observe. See, all transaction. This is the 2 seconds is the our SLA actually. See, just your understanding point of I given one is a 2 second. So see 2 seconds. So you can observe. We need to concentrate for the average because maximum is that will be happen one time, maybe 2 times it will happen. Minimum also it is happen 1 or 2 times. But average means what will happen? Averagely, how much response time it is taken for the 50 users, we need to concentrate. See, is the 2 second our SLA, we are meeting for the 1 second, then we are good. Click on flight will be, you can observe it is taken for the 4 seconds, but our is 2 seconds. Then you need to dig the issue where could be problem because client is not accept, it is taking for the 4 seconds. Then we need to should identify the issue, like it could be CPU memory utilization problem, it could be maybe application side issue, maybe it could be like application server or DB server. So we need to dig the issue and we can resolve and we can give for the good results to the client. Then our project will be go to the live. Without performance, no one in nowadays one project also not going to live because we are not given sign off. So we are not good for the results. We cannot give for the sign up. Then it is not go to the live the project. So this is only our end-to-end testing. So everyone is clear or anyone any doubts, you can feel to ask me, no problem.
Sorry, Kiran, I have a query here.
Yes.
So minimum time we have taken here 0 point some seconds, milliseconds, right?
Yeah.
And maximum it we have taken 7.294 in first transaction login button.
See, the minimum, see, maximum means what will happen? See, that will happen any one time. See, login is, see, you can go there and you can observe. There is analysis. See, this is the analysis, right? You can go to the transaction summary You can observe login, how many times it is happen? 50 attempts login happen. So 15 in that only one transaction may one time it is happen for the more than that. So average we can consider as a average. Going to that average, it is coming from the only 1.439. Got it?
Okay. Right. So,
So that
for
is
one
why we
transaction.
need to concentrate for the only average.
Okay. So
No
in
worry
this
about
case, like
maximum minimum.
for
Yeah.
50 user, what should be the average?
See, so login is a 50 user will be 1.439. 50 users is click and flight. Means see, you can observe here, every will be 50 times will be executed for the every transaction. You can observe. Login, find flight, payment, sign off, everywhere will be 50 times attempted. Means 50 times login is happen, 50 times payment, 50 times find flight, 50 times click and flight happen. So that is the average of each and every. Means login is the 50 users average response time will be 1.439. And click and flight average response time of the 50 users, this is the. So this is everyone will be 50 users response time.
Okay.
Yeah. And anyone have any doubts regarding this? And we are good to close. Jeevan, Charan. Please respond yourself. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, because now everything is a questions and answer. So, okay. You can feel to ask me and you can clear your doubts. Tomorrow onwards classes will be start. Okay. Regular classes will be start. If anyone interested, you can join the classes, and tomorrow onwards, I will, if you want anyone interested, you can ping me in personally. I will add for the, we have the one group will be there already. So I will add that group and will send for the everyday class timings, and as same to the everyday class completed, I will send for the recording also. Maybe you miss anywhere, you can go through that video and you can do it for yourself. VK means your good name, please. So I think everyone is good. We can good to close.
Yeah.
We can?
Yes.
Yes, right. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet for the tomorrow. If anyone who are interested, right, in this, okay, please ping me yourself, and I'm interested. Please add group, then I will add, and tomorrow onwards you guys can be continue. I will inform for the today evening
Okay, sir.
timings for the what timings I will inform. Okay. So okay, thank you. Bye. Sorry. Someone. Yeah, bye everyone. Good. Happy weekend.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.